Hey everybody! Today you can see the repair. Tesla Model 3. The front end repair. Part of the right rail will change. For this I have the donor part. Okay, taking apart. Repair will start with the right rail, pulling it out first. Now doing the necessary measurements. After measurement, remove damaged metal. Well, now from the donor part 1, take the pieces I need. To install whole parts 1, install the subframe, but first I need to fix my left rail. Wonderfully. Now installing a piece of rail and welding it.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets
So, welding work done. Now I'll paint it. Tainted treated the inside with the anti-rust agent. I'm putting the parts of front end and check gaps. The metal work is done. I'm taking the car in for a paint job. The car is painted and assembled. The repair on this Tesla is complete. I'm done today. Subscribe to see new videos first. See you later.